Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import data in Salesforce. Whether you're adding new leads, updating existing contacts, or managing custom objects, the Data Import Wizard makes it straightforward to bring your information into Salesforce efficiently. Let's start by accessing the right area. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface and select Setup from the menu. This is your gateway to all administrative functions. Once you're in Setup, you'll see a quick find box on the left side. Type Data Import Wizard into this search field and click on Data Import Wizard when it appears in the results. This tool is specifically designed to handle bulk data uploads with ease. Now click Launch Wizard to begin the import process. You'll be presented with two main options here. Click Standard Objects if you're importing accounts, contacts, leads, solutions, person accounts, or articles. If you're working with any other type of data, click Custom Objects instead. This choice determines which fields and matching options you'll see later. Next, you need to decide how Salesforce should handle your data. Select Add New Records if you're only bringing in fresh data, update existing records if you're refreshing information already in Salesforce, or add new and update existing records. If you're doing both, for updates, you'll need to choose matching criteria so Salesforce knows which records to update. Options like match account by email or match lead by email and name tell the system how to identify duplicates. You can hover over the question marks next to these options for more details about how each matching method works. If you want any automation rules to run during import, check the box labeled Trigger Workflows and Processes. Be mindful with this setting as it can affect other systems connected to your Salesforce instance. Now it's time to upload your file. Drag your CSV file directly to the upload area, or click CSV followed by Choose File to browse your computer and select it. You'll see options for character encoding and value separator. The default settings work for most files, but if your data includes special characters or uses tabs instead of commas, adjust these accordingly. Click Next to proceed. Salesforce will automatically map some of your CSV columns to matching fields. Review these mappings carefully. For any unmapped fields, click Map next to them, search for and select the correct Salesforce field, then click Map to confirm. If you need to change an auto-mapped field, click Change next to it, delete the current mapping if needed, select a new field, and click Map. Click Next once all fields are properly mapped. You'll see a final review screen showing all your mappings and import settings. If anything looks incorrect, click Previous to go back and fix unmapped or incorrectly mapped fields. When everything looks right, click Start Import to begin processing your data. To check your import progress, return to Setup, enter Data Import Wizard in Quick Find, and look at the recent import jobs chart for status updates. Alternatively, you can go to Setup and search for bulk data load jobs for more detailed information. You've now successfully imported your data into Salesforce, streamlining your data management process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.